Today I'm making a barbecue ranch spiderweb dip. First, in a bowl I have 1 block of softened cream cheese. Next I'm going to add 1 packet of ranch seasoning. Next add 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. Then add a half a cup of sour cream. Next add 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Now I have a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to add half of it into the dip and the other half I'm going to use for the topping. Then just mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have an 8-inch cake pan. I'm going to add the dip into the cake pan and spread it out. Then I'm going to add the other half of the shredded cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to make the spiderweb for the dip, so on a cutting board I have some pizza dough. I'm going to cut it in half and use half of the pizza dough to make the spiderweb. Then I'm going to use half of the pizza dough and cut it into 7 pieces. Next I'm going to make 3 circles. I'm going to make a small, a medium, and a large. Next I'm going to take the other 4 pieces and roll them into logs to about the size of the cake pan. Next I'm going to take the 4 logs and crisscross them onto the dip. Then I'm going to add the 3 circles. Now bake the dip at 375 for 20 minutes. Once the dip comes out of the oven, I served it with some potato chips and some corn chips.